Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by claiming a small, quiet space and removing obvious noise. Do it now so your first take counts. Then pick the right mic for the room, dynamic if reflections persist, condenser if you have treatment, and engage 48-volt only when the mic needs it. Once done, set input gain so peaks sit around -12 to -6 dB, choose 44. 1 or 48 kHz and 24-bit depth, and arm your track. This prevents clipping and preserves headroom for editing. You now capture the performance while actively monitoring technique and signal. Put a pop shield 3 to 6 inches from the mic and aim slightly off-axis to tame plosives. This preserves clarity without losing presence. Monitor through closed-back headphones and confirm latency is low if you need live monitoring, under about 10 milliseconds. Maintain steady distance and posture, use brief vocal warm-ups and controlled breaths, and speak with intentional phrasing. Make adjustments to gain or mic angle between. You finish by cleaning and exporting with recipes that retain quality while sounding natural. Start with gentle subtraction EQ to clear low-end mud, then compress lightly, around 2:1 ratio to smooth dynamics. Normalize or limit so peaks sit at about -3 dB. Manually remove loud breaths and clicks, and use a noise gate or spectral repair for steady hiss. If problems persist, check gain staging. Try a different mic capsule or room position, and always export 24-bit WAV while testing on headphones and phone for consistency.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.